If you've ever wondered what Bitcoin is and how it works, you've come to the right place. Let's break it down. So what is Bitcoin? Bitcoin is often described as a cryptocurrency, a virtual currency, or a digital currency. Essentially, it's a type of money that's completely virtual. No physical coins or notes exist. Think of it as an online version of cash. You can use Bitcoin to buy products and services, but keep in mind, not many shops accept it, and some countries have banned it altogether. In October 2021, PayPal announced that it would allow its customers to buy and sell Bitcoin. The physical Bitcoins you might have seen in photos, they're just for show. They'd be worthless without the private codes printed inside them. Bitcoins can be divided into smaller units, much like how a dollar can be divided into cents. The smallest unit is called a Satoshi, named after Bitcoin's mysterious inventor Satoshi Nakamoto. One Bitcoin is made up of 100 million Satoshis. Very little is known about Nakamoto. It could be a pseudonym, and some even believe multiple people could be behind its creation. So, how does Bitcoin work? Each Bitcoin is essentially a computer file stored in a digital wallet app on your smartphone or computer. You can send Bitcoins to other people's digital wallets and receive Bitcoins from them. Every transaction is recorded on a public list called the blockchain. This record makes it possible to trace the history of Bitcoins, ensuring people can't spend coins they don't own, make copies, or undo transactions. There are three main ways to get Bitcoins. First, you can buy them using real money. Second, you can sell goods or services and accept Bitcoin as payment. Lastly, new Bitcoins can be created using a computer process called mining. Bitcoin mining involves setting up powerful computers to solve incredibly complex math problems. Occasionally, these miners are rewarded with a Bitcoin. However, the sums are becoming more difficult to slow down the creation of new Bitcoins. It's estimated that the total number of Bitcoins will be capped at 21 million, with 19 million already mined. Due to a process called halving, the final Bitcoin is not expected to be mined until around 2140. Why are Bitcoins valuable? Just like gold, diamonds, or even cocoa beans used by the Aztecs, Bitcoins are valuable because people believe they are. People are willing to exchange them for real goods, services, and even cash. Some people prefer Bitcoin because it's not controlled by governments or banks. Transactions can be fairly anonymous, and although all transactions are recorded, identifying who owns which account number can be tricky. Notably, Elon Musk, one of the world's richest individuals, has shown his support for Bitcoin, causing its value to rise significantly. Is Bitcoin secure? Every transaction is publicly recorded, making it difficult to copy, fake, or double-spend coins. However, it's possible to lose your digital wallet or have it stolen, leading to a permanent loss of your Bitcoins. The value of Bitcoin has fluctuated wildly since its creation in 2009, and some financial experts like Andrew Bailey of the Bank of England have warned that investing in Bitcoin can be risky due to its volatile price. That's a quick rundown on Bitcoin. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech insights. Thanks for watching.